Hi guys, if you're entertaining or just need a different snack, serving cocktails or having people over, this is delicious. Bag of goldfish with some dill pickle sauce and a package of ranch dressing. This comes together in 20 minutes in the oven and they're all set and ready to go. If you want to see how to make this delicious snack, if you're going to entertain and want something different, keep watching. Okay guys, here are the ingredients you're gonna need. Really only 3. You need some kosher dill pickle spears or chips. You just need the juice, 1/4 cup. You need some goldfish cheddar cheese crackers, 1 bag, and 1 packet of ranch dip or salad seasoning mix. Baking tray lined with parchment paper, and you're all set to go. It's one way to kick up a little snack if you're entertaining and having people over. This only takes 20-30 minutes in the oven, and you're all set. So let me get everything set up. Let's get cooking. 1 bag, 1/4 cup, 1 package of ranch. Saw this on TikTok. My husband loves goldfish and he loves pickles, so I figured he would love this treat. Spread these out in a single layer, and these cook for 10 minutes. And you want to stir them after 10 minutes. Total cooking time, 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, toss them around. Back in the oven for another 10 minutes. There you have it. After 20 minutes, nice crunchy little snack. Different take on goldfish. My husband loves them. This has a ranch. You don't really taste the dill, but you do taste the ranch and you see they're extra crispy. Let them cool for just about 20 minutes and then they're all set. I'm gonna store them in a Ziploc bag, or if you like, put them back in the bag they came in. So I want to thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share. For those that know me, I upload 2 videos a week. I always include an inspirational quote and tell a controversial joke. And I respond to each and every one of my comments because I'm blessed by God that you guys take the time to watch my videos. Serve these at your next party if you want something quick and different to have on the table. Okay, here's my joke. I used to work at the zoo, and one time a gorilla died of old age. The problem was it was the only gorilla in the zoo because the zoo wasn't very profitable. The gorilla was by far the most popular attraction, and they couldn't afford to go a single day without it being there. So the zoo owner came up to me and said, listen, for an extra $100, do you want to put on this gorilla costume until we can afford a new gorilla? Of course, I said. Go on then. Pretty quickly, I became the biggest hit in the zoo. Everyone wanted to see this human-like gorilla. After about a month, the craze started to die down, but they kept pressuring me to get people's attention again. So in a desperate attempt, I climbed over to where the lions were and started hanging off the net. Suddenly, a massive crowd gathered and everyone looked terrified. I could feel my grip slipping. I couldn't hold any longer. I started screaming, help, help. Then I fell. The lion rushed towards me, and just as I thought it was over, he leaned over and whispered very carefully, shut the hell up before we both get fired. I thought that was so funny. I thought it was cute. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and share. As I said, please leave me comments. Those are most important. I like to respond to all my comments and let you guys know that I do appreciate you. So, I upload 2 videos a week. I try and keep the food simple. My channel is all about quick, fast, and easy meals to get you in and out of the kitchen because you guys know I work still full time. As a nurse, those that know me, and if you're first time here, I'm so grateful. So anyway, have a good evening. God bless. And I pray to see you on the next one.